Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen spatial Android header unit for Jeep Grand Cherokee. Okay, 2014 to 2017 years. Okay, you can check this UI interface. In the button microphone reset hole, this SD card slot. You can choose time. You can choose logo. Also set the Jeep. Okay, it sets the Jeep, and you can change the SIM color with blue, green, orange, gray. Any color you can adjust this panel. Okay, let me choose the Belsee. You can check Belsee is a manufacturer of Android car header unit. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. It's RAM 4GB, Octa core, PX5. You can check model is PX5, Octa core, Android version is 8.0 or real. Okay. Let me show the internet. It supports voice Google command. Let me back the home. Let me connect the small speaker. This is small speaker used to test the voice. Okay, let me try the New York. It will automatically search the New York. Let me search our website, belsee.com, belse.com. Okay, this is our website. Okay. Okay, let me show the navigation. It's built in Google Maps. New York. It also will search the New York automatically. You can see it load New York City. You can touch control. Okay. Okay, let me show the music. There are two USB cables connect the back of head unit. This is USB driver. Let me put the USB. Okay. It automatically plays the music.
It's my time, it's my life. I can do what I like for the price of a smile. I gotta take it to ride so I can live it, 'cause it feels right and it's so nice. And I'll do it all again this time. It's forever, it gets better. And I like how it feels. I like how it feels.
Let me show the dual screen. Long press. Okay, you can check. It's running the Google navigation and the music at the same time. Let me show the Bluetooth. You can check this pin number 40. This is my Galaxy S8 Plus. Turn on the Bluetooth. Click search button. Click pair button. You will get pin number 40. Okay. It changed the color, show Bluetooth icon. The music already ran in the background. When you make a phone call, the Bluetooth, the music will be stopped. When you hang up, its music will play again. It means do the same thing. Okay, play the music. Okay, let me check the stream music. The first time disconnect and connect again. Okay, connected. Okay. You can play music from your phone. Stream music. The volume control from your phone. Okay. Let me play the video. Video disabled driving for safety, so you need to set it in the settings. Car, driving settings. Watch video, turn on the video. It supports 4K and some 4K demo video. Okay, that's all. Thank you. If you have any more questions, you can contact to us. You can visit our website belsee.com to contact to us.